గుడ్ ఆఫ్టర్నూన్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ. మా స్టూడెంట్స్కి నెక్స్ట్ వీక్ ఎస్సే రైటింగ్ కాంపిటీషన్ ఉంది. సో వాళ్ళ టాపిక్ వచ్చేసి అవర్ ఎన్విరాన్మెంట్ అవర్ కన్సర్న్. వాళ్ళ కోసం నేను ఈ మ్యాటర్ని ప్రిపేర్ చేశాను. చూడండి. ఎవ్రీథింగ్ ప్రెజెంట్ అరౌండ్ అస్ ఈజ్ అవర్ ఎన్విరాన్మెంట్. ఇట్ ఇంక్లూడ్స్ ఆల్ లివింగ్ అండ్ నాన్ లివింగ్ థింగ్స్ ఇన్ అవర్ సరౌండింగ్స్. The life of humans and animals is entirely dependent on environment. It nourishes us. Environment plays a major role in giving birth to a new life, in the growth of a life, survival of the life, and the overall well-being of any life. It provides us with fresh air that we breathe, water that we drink, food that we eat, and almost all the resources for our survival. Environment also provides us with several other natural resources that are very important. Natural resources are the resources that environment gives us naturally without we creating it. It includes sunlight, atmosphere, land, water, plants, animals, sea life, minerals, different species, and everything that occurs naturally on earth. It provides us with the resources such as fuels, metals, and most forms of energy to use. We humans in the search of progress have forgotten its value and importance. We are constantly degrading and destroying it. Human activities are the root cause of environmental imbalance. The pollution has lowered the quality of all natural components of environment. The depletion of ozone layer, greenhouse effect, climate change, and global warming are the very issues with which environment is suffering from. In last 5 decades, humans have polluted air, water, and soil to a large extent. If human activities continue to exist like this, then the day is not far away when there will be no more. Even the very existence of all living forms will be wiped away. Besides, the environment has done for us in return, we have only degraded it. It is true that we cannot repay environment, but we can take some steps to save it. It is our duty to save trees because trees provide us oxygen and purify the air present in environment and help regulate the balance of earth. We need to plant new trees and stop deforestation to save it and to make it healthy. Instead of burning fossil fuels and using non-renewable resources, let's switch to eco-friendly energy sources and say no to pollution. The most effective way to save it is to spread awareness. We all need to contribute to save by planting trees, saving water, reducing plastic usage, and by saving all natural resources. Thank you for watching. All the best, students. Bye.